Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to open G-code in Bambu Studio. So the fastest option that we have is open Bambu Studio. Click the Preview tab at the top of the screen. So Preview, open your computer's File Explorer and locate your G-code file. So let's something like that. Left click and drag the G-code file directly onto the dark preview workspace. So let's say something like that. The software will instantly load the sliced model path. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, the second thing that you can do is like that. So click on File in the very top left menu bar of Bambu Studio. Then open Project. And in the file window that pops up, change the file type drop down filter. So like say before, yes, like that. Now here select all the files and yeah, select the G code file and click open if you have it here. And this is how you can open G-code in Bambu Studio. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in